It's no-sew day, baby. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Today I have 11 ways to completely transform your old clothes without sewing. Completely no sew, no hand sewing, no sewing machine, and I know you're gonna love them, so let's get right into it. All right, so let's start off with t-shirts. I know you have a ton of t-shirts and I have 4 really cool ways to transform your t-shirts without sewing. Number 1, I actually have it on and it is this amazing shoulder pad t-shirt that is so popular right now, and you can absolutely do it without sewing, even making your own shoulder pads. And it's super simple, and I absolutely love how just this simple padding completely elevates a t-shirt.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
Next up is bleach tie-dye. And what do I mean by bleach tie-dye? Basically, you're removing color from your shirt. So you're not just working with white shirts, you're working with any color shirt other than white, and you're using bleach to remove color from it. And you can do it with any type of t-shirt. I did it here with this Adidas t-shirt that I got from a thrift store for like $10. And so I didn't have anything to lose, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I was trying to match it specifically to these pants and it turned out perfectly, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. All the links to the full tutorials for everything I'm talking about is in the description box below. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. Definitely share this video with everyone you know. That person that wants to learn how to upcycle, that person who wants to get into upcycle, that person that's been upcycling for a while. Share this video on all your social media so everyone knows all the amazing stuff going on here. All right, now back to the video. Number 3, a layered top. With this top, I absolutely love that I was able to just use scissors. Yes, scissors. I started off with this super big t-shirt, snipped it, folded it, and I got this. I know you don't believe me, but I promise you it was only scissors. Go check it out and see for yourself.
I know things will change and life is staring me in different ways. I gotta find my place. I gotta find my place.
And then, since I was able to do that top, I thought to myself, let's see if we can add another layer to make a more ruffled top. And that's exactly what I did. I still used one t-shirt for this, but cut an extra layer, snipped it, used t-shirt yarn to weave through there, cinched it in a couple of places, and there you go. An absolutely amazing no-sew tank top that used to be just a regular t-shirt. So next up is another one of everybody's favorites, jeans. Yes, you can do some amazing jean upcycles without sewing. First, I'll show you my ribbon side jeans. And I actually did a little bit of sewing for this one, but you absolutely don't have to. Just cut some slits on the side of your jeans, weave some ribbon through there, use fabric glue to secure it at the top, and you're done. These give such a statement. You can use a pop of color like this lime green that I use, or absolutely anything that you want to. It can even be another strip of denim.
The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on, oh baby.
And speaking of striped jeans, why not take some washi tape and some fabric paint and paint stripes on the back of your jeans? I absolutely love this one. I was inspired by another piece and I decided to do like the black national colors, and I absolutely love the statement that these are making.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. and I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
And then if you have a pair of jeans that is too big, I know whose jeans are too big. I like to thrift my jeans, but just in case you might be able to steal some jeans maybe from somebody else in the house, take some grommets. You can order these on Amazon. These are actually curtain grommets. Take some grommets and add them to the waist of the jeans and then weave your belt through and cinch the waist. It's an amazingly fashionable way to take a pair of big jeans and make them fit you.
You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it.
And next up is workwear. Yes, you can transform some of your old workwear in a no-so way. Here I have these shorts that I absolutely love, but they were just not quite what I wanted. So I was inspired by these shorts by Jacquemus, and I absolutely love that I was able to cuff these shorts in a no-so way just using a little bit of heat and bond and an iron, yes, absolutely, and be able to make them exactly the length that I personally wanted. That's what I love about upcycling. You can do it specifically how you want it. So these red shorts are absolutely one of my favorite no-so projects to date.
Don't think I'm ready for you. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. It's okay, I'm just saying. What if she told you that she still likes you?
And you can absolutely crop your blazers as well. We cropped those pants, now we're cropping blazers, and we're using basically the same technique, just some heat and bond and an iron, and we're turning it under and securing it, and now you have a cropped blazer that costs you nothing because you could have just pulled it out of your wardrobe, and it's super fashionable and you could wear it to work, but then this is also an amazing piece to wear out.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding.
And if you're interested in learning more about upcycling, I do have a monthly upcycle class with the highest level of my members only group. So definitely hit that join button to learn more about that. And I do have a free Facebook group where it's just a bunch of upcyclers on Facebook that love to share our before and afters, help each other when we get stuck. So definitely check the description box for the link to that. And next up, yes, you can absolutely upcycle your accessories in a no-so way and just create completely different things. I had these old Kenneth Cole boots that were falling apart. They're real leather, so I didn't want to get rid of them, but they just didn't have what I needed, what I wanted at the time. So I cropped them. Yes, just cut them off. They're leather. They can handle it. Cut them off. And I used some leather paint, several coats, and then did the accents in black on the side. And now these are one of my absolute favorite pair of boots.
Wait, there's no second chance. We messed it up, torn apart in every way. Ruined the romance in a slow-mo dance. Now we're going under. We're sitting out finally. Give it all up, send me.
If you're like me, and if you're a thrifter, I'm probably sure that you have some scarves laying around the house. I use them for almost everything. Use them on my hair, use them for a bunch of different purposes. But did you know you can make purses out of them? Yes, with just tying. You don't even need scissors for this one. All you need to do is know how to tie it correctly. And I have a whole tutorial on it showing you four different ways of how to use your scarves to make purses. You can even add wood handles that you may have found from other purses. I take like completely trashed purses from the thrift store and I will just take the handles off, throw away the part that's completely trashed, or reuse it if it's reusable, and then just tie my scarves on them. And I absolutely love to travel with these type of purses. I just came back from Chicago not too long ago and I used this purse the complete trip because if you just want to pack it, you can pack it and then just bring it out when you get there, or you can carry it on the airport. It's just super convenient, super flexible, and you can do it in 50 million different colors, 50 million different styles. You can do it in silk, you can do it in satin, you can do it in whatever scarf you have. And so I absolutely love this project. Pop of color for that outfit, whatever you need.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna be.
So definitely let me know which no-sew project is your favorite in the comment section below, and you can absolutely find your favorite in the description. The link to the full tutorial is there. And if you want 50 more ways, yes, 50 more ways to upcycle your clothes, I have a video right here specifically for you. And you definitely want to subscribe because I have new videos every Thursday and every Saturday at 9 a.m. So subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!